Hi, this is Reference Librarian Joyce Miller. In this video, I'll show you how to research your species profile project. First, go to this web address. Dr. Macaluso has it linked in the project's Brightspace module. Notice that this page has 4 tabs. I'll show you what's on each one of them. We're going to start right here with the For the Species Profile Project starting page. And if you notice right here, I have a number of links down the page. If you mouse over them, it will show you what is in each one. I'm going to go first to the NOAA site right here. So I'm going to click that and open it up. This is a great place if you have not chosen a species yet to go shopping for ideas. Any of those links on that page would be similar. You can go to any of these links. I'll use whales as an example. And if you notice here, they have an overview about whales and then a species account. So you could, let's try beluga whales right here. They have a lot of great information. Notice there's a scientific name, tons of information down this page, all the kinds of things you're going to need for this project. So here's a nice map. If you see an image, you can copy it. Please make sure to give credit to the site you got the image from, just as an ethical issue. Here's the behavior, diet, so much good information. Reproduction, that's another item you're going to need for your paper. So the Fisheries NOAA page right here, great place to start for this project. So I'm just going to back up and go back to our Marine Biology Library Research Guide. I was on this site right here. There's a ton more going right down here. And just make sure to take a look at the little descriptions. I also have a group here about birds if those are of interest. The next thing we're going to go to is this one right here, More Databases, Videos, and Images. I have a series of different links on this page. This box right here is the library's big search page. You can kind of do a shallow skim across about 100 different library databases and find books, ebooks, articles, videos, a wide variety of things. So I'll just put in a subject like beluga whales, and let's see how much we come up with. So it's searching the books and ebooks and videos that we have access to, and is coming up with some results. You notice over here you can limit it by date. I'd probably limit it maybe last 5 years. And as you browse down here, you can kind of see that there's a mix of types of things. There's videos, there's articles, all kinds of different information. You can limit it only to books if you click this circulating, which means it'll limit it just to circulating books. You can also go up here and hit advanced search. And if you want to maybe, say find articles that are also about reproduction, you can kind of overlap those two ideas. Do a little search like that. And now you have 67 results just about that one topic. Now I'm going to just mention that anytime you find something in a library database, you can click the link to it. Here's the access to the article or book or whatever it is, from the database. So you can just click any one of those, will get you to the information itself. But if you notice here, you can go right here to citation, and yay, APA citation written for you. It's not perfect, okay? Sometimes they have funny little typos. Bring it to the Writing Center and they'll help you perfect it. Okay, I'm going to just back up here for a little bit, go back to the library's homepage, or back to our research guide. Let's see, actually I'm going to go back to our research guide here. So I was just on this and went here to look for a variety of other information. This column right here has details about some searches you might want to do. Here, if you want to find some more images and maybe some sounds, I have links to some fun sites here. You can go into Google's Images Advanced Search if you'd like. Just do a little click here and perhaps look for, let's look for a phrase. And how about look for a skeleton, picture of that. You can limit it to full color. Now down here where it shows site or domain, you can limit it to either edu or gov or org if you'd like to, and that kind of offers a little bit of quality control because you're just searching the free web, you're not in a library database. And then, here's something from UVM. You can click this and copy it and use it in your presentation. Again, make sure to give credit to a website. If it's not yours, it's someone else's. Okay, so I'm just going to back up here for a second. Okay, so where I was, we started on this tab, we went here, a little bit more. Here are some books, if those are of interest. You can come to the library and borrow these. We also have a number of ebooks. And then our last tab right here is to the Writing Center, which is run by our English division. The Writing Center is happy to help you write those citations. Any questions? You could either go to the library's chat box, which is the little green square in the bottom here, or you can also email librarian@sunyacc.edu. Okay, thank you so much.